Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jason from Man Auto Addiction. Hope you guys enjoyed that intro. Just wanted to do a little recap of the vehicles I do have on the channel. I have the 86 Cutlass Supreme, the second car you saw, and then the 96 E150 van, and also the Yukon. I want to do this video. I didn't make it to the YouTube call out, of course. I had to work today. Today started off pretty good. I got to go to breakfast with one of my buddies. Then I had to work. Got home about 4 o'clock after working, which was my day number 6 in a row. And I cleaned windows this week, so there are two 16-hour days on 16-hour day on Wednesday, and then again on Friday. So trying to get a video done for you guys before it starts raining. And also, of course, I do have the 97 F250 OBS. Of course, the only thing I have right now is my seats and the headliner and the rear seat, which off these old trucks kind of looks like I got a couch sitting in my garage. So hopefully I'll get that thing out of paint in the next month. They're hoping to have it done by June 1st, but it's already the 23rd and it's still not done. So it is what it is. Just let them take their time and do it right. But yeah, if you guys are watching the channel for the first time, I just want to give a little backstory. You know, I try to do some vehicle builds that are affordable, that you can do without having to make $1 million a year. I just try to hunt for the right deals. This is my E150 van. This thing started out, it was a Mark III conversion van, had like the fiberglass running boards and stuff on it. And I took all that off. I've been working on it for about 3 years now, so it wasn't like an overnight story where I got it done in 1 month or something. But yeah, about 3 years on this build to what it is today. I've done a lot of videos on it because I've added a lot to it in the last couple months, front suspension wise and lights and stuff like that. And then my Cutlass Supreme, I really lucked out on this car. It was one of my customers' cars. He was the original owner of it. Bought it brand new in '86 here in Titusville, Florida. 98 he started doing a 455 swap, which I'll do a link to that video with a little bit more details on the engine. And just sat in his garage last couple years, and he said he had to get rid of it. So I picked it up about 1.5 years ago, and it still had like the black steely wheels on it, which I'm probably put those back on because these wheels are starting to pit real bad. So I'm either gonna powder coat them or paint them or do something with them, but the chrome's just pitting real bad. But I got them used, so I couldn't really beat it. I picked up the wheels, tires off a guy I know. He had them just laying around, and I picked them up for $200, so couldn't really beat that. I got $200 in a carpet kit in it, and then the price of the car, can't really disclose that because let's just say I got a really good deal on it. So this one's paid for, that one's paid for. And then we got my wife's Yukon, which I did a video to that. I can link it, or you can search back through my history. There's a reveal video on the Yukon. It's a Yukon Denali 2007, the 6.2 liter on it. That one, I did have to take out a small loan to buy it, so I'm usually against loans, and but it was a right deal. I only had 92,000 miles on it, and I owe less than 10 grand on it, so I paid all the rest cash, so not too bad on that one. So I owe less than 10. I'm hoping to have that paid off by the end of the year. Any extra money I make doing windows, I just put it towards that one. But like the title of the channel says, one of them has to go, so I gotta sell one of them to make room for a new project and finish the F250. And yes, everybody might guess it's the van, but it's not this van. This van over here, our 03 Honda Odyssey, which has been awesome to us. We've had it since 2011, or no, 2007. So we've had it 11 years, and it's been a great van. It's got 204,000 miles on it. So if you know anybody looking for a sweet deal on the Odyssey, message me below or DM me, and I'll get you the info on it. Like I said, it's I'm the second owner. I bought it with 60,000 miles on it from a Honda dealer, and it's been serviced at Honda its whole life. So, but that one I'm gonna sell it and put that towards another vehicle and finishing these vehicles. I definitely got to get this one painted. The hood is fading real bad, the roof's fading real bad. Or if you're a painter and you know somebody in Florida that wants to paint and work out a good deal on this thing, it's got minimal body work. I got one little rust spot right here, another one down there. Just hit me up. So just wanted to do a recap on the channel for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel. If you're first time stopping in, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.